You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Join me in this art tutorial as I draw a cute house on a piece of white paper using a 5B pencil. Let's go.
Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed, the laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky.
If you admire this drawing in progress, you are welcome to support the channel with a subscription and a like on this video. Do also share this video link with your family and friends to watch and do so. Thank you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts.
A cute house. When you have carefully watched this drawing on video, get your art materials, and create your own drawing. You can do it. We believe in your ability to get it right with continuous practice. Congratulations to you in advance. From all of us at ABC Creative Art TV, we say thank you so much for supporting our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.